Alright guys, so this is webcam video of my Mac. So sorry about the quality if it's bad. So I've got an unboxing. It's my flints. So let's unbox it. I think that's what it is anyway. So there's 12 here altogether. So 6 and 6. What you do, these are totally ambidextrous as well. And there's Zippo flint. So with your Zippo lighters you should always use Zippo products because it keeps a guarantee on it. Like the Zippo fluid, you should always use Zippo fluid because it's just better. Knowing this one is the same. Let's do some focus. See the Zippo there. What's that say there? Bradford PA made in USA. Go along there. So yeah, a long unboxing for what this was. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe.